Landing a Goldman Sachs summer analyst internship can feel like climbing Everest, but with the right map, you can conquer it. Let's break down exactly how to apply and boost your chances. First, head to the Goldman Sachs Careers website, search for internships, and filter by your graduation year to find the Summer Analyst program. Read the program description carefully, note the different divisions like investment banking, securities, or technology, and choose the one that aligns with your interests and skills. Now, your resume is your first impression. Highlight your academic achievements, aiming for a strong GPA, and showcase relevant coursework that demonstrates your knowledge. Include any leadership roles in clubs or organizations, and emphasize any previous internship experience. Even if it's not directly finance-related, quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Use numbers to show impact. Goldman Sachs looks for specific skills. Financial modeling is a plus, but strong communication, problem-solving, and teamwork skills are essential. Think about examples from your experiences where you demonstrated these qualities and incorporate them into your resume and cover letter. Your cover letter is your chance to tell your story, tailor it to the specific division you're applying to, explaining why you're interested in that particular area and how your skills and experience make you a good fit. Research the division and mention specific projects or initiatives that resonate with you. If you get invited to interview, preparation is key. Practice answering common behavioral questions like "Tell me about a time you failed," or "Why Goldman Sachs?" Research the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. For structuring your answers, be ready to discuss your resume in detail and demonstrate your understanding of financial markets. Finally, remember that Goldman Sachs values teamwork, integrity, and a commitment to excellence. Showcasing these qualities throughout your application and interview will significantly increase your chances of landing that dream internship. Good luck.